Okay, welcome back. For today's assignment of our memory book, we're going to do slides 5 through 8. Okay, so just 4 slides. These 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, again, read what you're supposed to do. We're talking about our class here. I typed in that we have 23 students, 12 girls, 11 boys. Okay, read what it is asking, click on the box, and then you can type. Okay, remember, if you delete your box or you need to change something, up here in the left hand corner, there's an undo button. Okay, that will get your box back. Okay, so talk about our class and then moments to remember. Okay, one memory is from your school year. Okay, type in those, add detailed summaries of each memory. Okay, try to do a couple sentences so that you can actually remember them. Don't do 1 or 2 words. Type in sentences. Okay, more moments to remember. Funniest moment of the year. One of my proudest moments of the year. I couldn't believe it when my class did what. Okay, so memories right there. And then here is some books. Okay, this book is an absolute favorite. You can type in the book right there. Here's why it's my favorite. The best part of the book was what? Okay, my favorite spot in the whole school to read is where? My favorite genre to read this year. Okay, and then give me 5 books that you read this year that you really loved. Okay, so those are the 4 slides that we're doing this week. Okay, these 4. And don't move on to the next ones because I will explain tomorrow in the video what to do. Okay, remember, if you delete a text box or you need mess up, hit the undo button. It will give you back your text box. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.